You want to have one?
Heck yeah.
How's it?
I took like 4. It's good.
Watch. Here, can you mix up the cube for me? Just go ahead and mix it up.
Yep.
Actually, you know what? If we just add a little bit more chocolate. And we can use this cube.
Okay.
Split into 2. Here, just give all of them a quick mix, and when you're done, just place them back onto the table. Take your time.
As long as I don't have to figure it out.
Make sure it's empty.
Yes, empty.
Perfect. Now when you're done, just put it back on the table. Awesome. Oh, you see the first one. Maybe 2 more. All of them completely solved. But you have to remember, in the very beginning, every single cube was simply just made out of chocolates. But these are real chocolates too, you can see. Not only that, and of course, thank you, Julianne. Thank you, everyone.
Eric Chien! Howie!
That was crazy. And it's amazing. Your magic melts in your hands, not in your mouth. But that was truly unique. You rose to the occasion. I think you even upped it from your last one. You know, Dom, the other magician, had a great, spectacular, big show. This was very small but close up. You're each in your own lane. I think there's room for 2 of you. There's only room for 7 going on. America's got to vote. You deserve it, young man.
Thank you so much.
Gabrielle!
I mean, from the words of your competition, you are literally one of the best magicians in the world, and you did not disappoint Eric Chien on this stage. You raised the level of this entire competition, and you put everybody on notice again.
Thank you. That means a lot. Thank you.
Simon!
Well, you know what? Going into tonight, if I had to put my money on whether comparing magician to magician, whether who was going to be the best, Eric or Dom, I would have said Eric. But on the night, I think Dom actually was better than you on the night. I genuinely do. Because this, to me, I'm getting a little bit bored of the close-up magic. And as much as I think you have an amazing, again, technical talent, that didn't wow me, I'm afraid. Sorry.
Okay, Julianne, you were sitting right there. Were you bored with the close-up magic?
Did I look bored? I was gasping because I was right there, and it was, I mean, I was eating the chocolate. Like, there's no way. I don't know how you did that. That was unbelievable. And you said to me right before you started, oh, I'm a little nervous. You have nothing to be nervous about.
Now, Eric, what do you think about what Simon just said about your performance?
You know, during the judge cuts, Simon told me I have to make it bigger. And Dom did make it bigger for him, so he took your advice. So for me, I think I'm pretty sure if I do make it through, I will try to make it bigger for you.